Hello, if you are wondering what does archived mean on Google Gmail, then let me quickly explain. Instead of deleting a mail message that you have received from someone and potentially losing it forever, you can archive the mail message and keep it pretty much hidden from yourself to not be bothered when you're looking for different mails, when you go through different mails that you have in your inbox. So if you have something important, but not so important that you need to always have access to, just to have it somewhere else, like hidden, until you need to eventually find it and reopen it in case something happens, then you can archive such message. And in order to do that, you can, for instance, enter the message that you want to archive, and then over here we will find the archive icon. We can click on it and send the message to archive. Later on, if you want to find the message, you can type in the search bar at the top in :archive, like so, and press enter. And then over here you will find all archived messages. Going back to inbox, you can also select multiple messages at once and click archive over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.